World of Nabeeda is a channel focusing on personal and professional development, where we talk about how we can grow, glow, and live our best lives. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, World of Nabeeda. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get that first week of your job right, especially when you're starting remotely. So as you all know by now, hopefully, that I've started this new job and I've been in this new job now for about a month. And honestly, it has been an amazing kind of learning curve. I have learned so much. I have taken in so much information that my brain is just like, whoa. But I finally had the chance to just sit down, relax, and just kind of talk about some of this stuff, because my first week was very intense. I had a lot to take in, but I think some of these tips can help you kind of make the most of your first week. And I did a lot of these things myself, and it helped me kind of get ahead and just like make sure everything was good. So the first thing to ensure your first week goes well and like you settle into the company well is that you ensure that your tech is all set up. So especially if you're starting remotely, you're probably going to have your tech delivered to you in some way, or you might need to go and collect it, or whatever it's going to be. Make sure you follow it up to, like, you know exactly when that tech is coming to you, when you need to go collect it. And once you get it as well, make sure that you can log in, like you can access everything, because you do not want that hassle on the first day. So if you can, definitely try to get it done like a couple of days before. And it just shows that how like proactive you are and how you take initiative. But at the same time, it just ensures on Monday morning you're not stressing out, like calling loads of people or trying to just call your manager loads of times and be like, oh, it's not working. So it just helps you get ahead, basically. Number 2, remember this is really different, okay? Like starting remotely can be a very different experience. So remember it's different. And there's a massive learning curve involved, even if you like go from the same role to the same role. Like for example, I went from being customer success manager to being customer success manager. However, the learning curve has been massive. I've had to learn so many new things and understand like so many new concepts that I hadn't even considered before. So really be aware of that and be ready to just kind of dive in and ask loads of questions, which is technically point 3, but yeah, ask loads of questions. Just like whatever comes into your head, just ask those questions, because it's so important to kind of get ahead and ask those questions and sit there wondering, what does that mean? What am I doing there? It just, honestly, you do not want to be getting in that situation. So definitely ensure that you're kind of asking questions as much as you can. Number 4. Now this one is really important, and a lot of people don't tend to do that, especially when they start virtually. So like people do it in person because they think they make an impression, but people don't do it as much virtually because you can't see this, like taking notes, because if you're virtually taking notes, no one really finds out. So you're like, I'm not really getting any credit for it. But please take notes, because 1, it helps you kind of retain that information. Well, for me it does anyway. But it also helps you kind of refer back to stuff. So later on down the line, when you are thinking of, what happened with X or what happened with Y, you've got that right in front of you, and it makes such a massive difference. So really think about that when you're thinking, oh, should I make notes? Should I not make notes? Any opportunity you get, you should be making notes, because again, it shows initiative. It ensures you're retaining information. And if you do need to refer back to information later on, you've got it right there for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So definitely do that. And number 5, go out there and speak to people. And obviously when I say go out there virtually, I just mean set up loads of meetings, because that's what I did in my first week. I met so many new people. And I was just setting up meetings with people left, right, and center. I was like, oh, hi, I've just started. Can I have a chat with you? Hi, I've just started. Can I have a chat with you? Hi, I've just started. I just want to know more about your area of the business. And try to add value for them as well. So really understand how you could add value, but at the same time, just say that you're here to learn and you want to find out more. So in my first week, I booked in a bunch of meetings with those people. And I was really lucky that the founder / CEO of my company also does weekly office hours. So I was like, I'm going to drop into that. It's my first week, but I'm going to drop into that. And I did. And I had a wonderful conversation around what his recommendations would be for the first month, first year, kind of how to be successful. And I just wanted to do that because I was like, 1, I want to meet him, but 2, I want to understand from his perspective what it means to be successful, because this is the guy that started the company, right? He's the person who set the mission, the vision, the values, and all of that stuff. So this is a guy who can tell me like how to be successful. So really do those things and go out there and meet people remotely as much as you can, because why not, right? If you were in an office, you would go up and say hello to everyone. Just because you're remote doesn't mean you shouldn't be talking to people. You just need to find new and creative ways of doing so. I hope this video was useful. Like I said, these are all the things I did in my first week, and so far so good. Like I still have a job. Things are still going well, so I think that's a good sign. So you should definitely listen to me. And if you do take any of this advice, please let me know how it goes for you. If you have started a new job, congratulations. If you are looking for a new job, and just let me know if you need any help with anything. Interviews, application forms, assessment center, that's literally my forte. So let me know. I always love having a chat, coaching, mentoring, all of that stuff. It's just something I absolutely love. So please get in touch. And if you like this video, please check out more of my videos, because I'm all about personal and professional development. So living our best lives together is what I care about. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because I post a new video every Thursday consistently, no matter how busy I get. So please show me some love. Thank you. Bye.